60. 5 left over crest, opens 150. Flat crest, 100. Flat crest and jump, 150. Long flat crest and 6 right, opens over crest, 180. Crest, slow 50, turn unseen square right, don't cut. 30. Turn unseen square right, caution don't cut. Opens 50. Flat crest, 80. Flat left over long crest, tightens into 4 right over crest. 100. 5 left, 50. Flat crest, into 4 right over crest. Into 4 left long tightens, into 4 right long, opens flat over crest, into 5 left over crest, into slow 5 right, immediate turn heavy left around bales. 200. Flat jump, 80. Bump into 6 left long, opens flat over crest, 150. Turn unseen, 1 left, don't cut. Into 5 right, opens 130. Don't cut, 5 right, 40. Turn 4 right, don't cut, 40. Turn square left, don't cut. 250. Slow long crest, into turn 3 left. 250, downhill. Turn 2 right, tightens narrow. 80. Flat of a long crest, 80. 4 right, tightens of a bump, into 5 left. Opens slow 50, turn square right. 100. Slow 5 left long, tightens turn unseen 1 left. Opens 50. 4 right, opens 120, over finish. Turn unseen 1 left, don't cut to stop.